This 2022 Forest River Salem FSX 280 RTX is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Ashland, Virginia, 23005 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, Slideout, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features Murphy bed, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.